Hey y'all, Nathan Rice with the Airbnb course here in beautiful San Miguel de Allende, Mexico. And just wanted to make a real quick video here. We got some people walking up the street here. Just want to make a real quick video here about an issue that came up yesterday. Obviously, I'm out of town, but the lock, it was doing something weird. There was like a little techno commando issue. Buenos días. And essentially what happened is when the code was being pressed, the door would lock, and then when the lock button was pressed, the door would unlock. No idea why that would happen overnight, but it did. And so luckily, you know, there are ways that you can set up your system to be out of town like this in a gorgeous place like San Miguel de Allende and have boots on the ground, have your team ready to handle issues like this. I was able to have one of my technicians over to the property within an hour and just do whatever they needed to do, press the buttons on the door lock to get the thing reset and working for the guests. You know, it's all about the guest experience. The guests want to feel like, hey, I've got all my property, all my belongings, my luggage, my clothes, laptops, iPods, all that stuff inside the property. I want to go enjoy the city, and I want to feel safe knowing, you know, safe and secure knowing that my belongings are safe and secure. And so that's, you know, that's what it's all about. And you can create a system like this too. You know, you need to build a relationship with somebody who is going to be reliable, who's good on the phone, and who can take instruction very well. And when you have this team in place, it's just amazing what you can do with your life. And so that's kind of my tip of the day here is make sure that you've got a team, and it's totally possible. And this doesn't just go for, hey, I'm out of the country. You know, this could be, I'm at work. You know, you're unavailable when you're at work. You know, can you really afford to leave your office or your place of business and, you know, go press some buttons on a doorknob? You know, probably not. And so it's even important to have a good team in place when you're just unavailable, okay? And so Nathan Rice here with the Airbnb course. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'd love to see your comments on this video and any other videos that I have and that you see in the channel here. And I hope this helps. Tip of the day from Nathan Rice with the Airbnb course. Happy hosting.